This work truck is an absolute mess.
So I'm going to dive right into the interior. I'm going to start by vacuuming up all the dirt and debris, and then I'll take my air hose and I'll blow out all the cracks, crevices, and underneath the seats. Then I move right on to the floors. I use a stiff drill brush and some Folex to really attack this vinyl flooring. Moving on to the seats. I told the customer I wasn't sure if I'd be able to get all these stains out just because of how neglected it was. But I took my soft bristle brush on the drill and some OxiClean Total Interior Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner and went to town. And the results when I was done amazed both myself and the customer. A steamer would have been more effective on this door panel, but I wanted to use tools and products that were more available to the do-it-yourselfer or to someone just starting out. You can see here that OxiClean really is a total interior cleaner. If you're interested in any of the tools or products I'm using in this video, I have put links in the description. Moving to the exterior, these wheels are pretty beat, so I'm just giving them a quick spray with some wheel and tire cleaner, and then a quick rinse. I start with an iron remover on the body. This helps pull all the iron contaminants out of the paint. You can see it turning purple as it reacts with all of the iron. At first I tried Turtle Wax Max Power Car Wash soap. Let it dwell and then scrubbed it, but that didn't seem to be very effective. So I had to switch to my wheel and tire cleaner. It's a non-acid wheel and tire cleaner, and that helped get the rest out. You can see here there's still a bunch of grime, you can see fingerprints, and just a layer of filth all over the vehicle. So I let that wheel and tire cleaner dwell for a couple minutes, and then I go back over with a microfiber brush and just hit the tough spots. And it looks a lot better. I continue that process on the rest of the vehicle, and the results speak for themselves. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more.